Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting geometry question with us today. Here we are given an isosceles triangle ABC. Why this is isosceles? Because we are given with side lengths AC and BC same. The side lengths are same for both of them. That's why this is an isosceles triangle. We are also given the angle CDA as 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree and the length of CD is 3. The length of AD is 8. We need to find the length of BD. Okay. So let's see how we can find the length of BD. So first of all, I'll be drawing a perpendicular from point C on AB. Let's draw a perpendicular from point C on AB like this. Okay. So if we have drawn the perpendicular, what will be the angle? The angle will be 90 degree. Yes, this angle will be 90 degree. Let's name this point as point E. Okay. So if this is 90 degree, angle CED will also be 90 degree. Correct. Now please look at right triangle CED. Look at right triangle CED. Why it is right? Because this angle is 90 degree. Right. That's why this is a right triangle. This angle is 60 degree. Now we have 90 and 60. So what will be this angle? This angle will be 30 degree, correct? This angle will be 30 degree. Let's keep our focus at right triangle CED. Okay. Now in right triangle CED, the angles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now whenever in a right triangle, the angles are 30, 60 and 90, the ratio of sides opposite to them, the ratio of sides opposite to 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree is fixed. What is the ratio? The ratio is 1, root 3 and 2. Okay. So this is the ratio. Let me change the sign so that you are not confused. So this is ratio and the sides are opposite to 30, 60 and 90. This is the ratio. We will be using this ratio to find the length of ED. Okay, the length of ED. So ED is opposite to 30 degree. ED is opposite to 30 degree, correct? And opposite to 90 degree. Opposite to 90 degree is CD. CD is opposite to 90 degree. Now what is the ratio of sides opposite to 30 and 90? It is 1 and 2. It is 1 and 2. Correct? So let's use this 1 and 2. ED, we can find the length. What is CD? CD is given as 3. Correct? So if we solve this, we will get ED is equals to 3 by 2, which is 1.5. Okay, so please keep this in mind. ED is 1.5. Let's mark this in the figure. ED is 1.5. Okay. Now, in an isosceles triangle, the perpendicular on the base divides the base into equal halves. So I'm taking in isosceles triangle ABC. Correct. In ABC, CE is perpendicular to AB. Correct. So we will be using this and we can say that E turns out to be the midpoint of AB. Okay. This is the property of isosceles triangle. So if E is the midpoint, E is the midpoint, what will be the length of BE? BE will be equal to AE. Yes, because E is the midpoint. And we can easily find AE. AE is nothing but AD minus ED. Correct? We can easily find AE by subtracting ED from AE. Okay, so this is AD is A and ED is 1.5. Correct? So that means BE will turn out to be 6.5. But this is not a final answer. This is not a final answer. Okay. We need to find the length of BD. We need to find the length of BD. Okay. So let's find the length of BD. BD can be found out by subtracting ED from BE. Let's subtract ED from BE. Okay. So what is BE? BE is 6.5. What is ED? ED is 1.5. Yes, that means BD will turn out to be 5. BD will turn out to be 5. So this is our final answer. BD that we need to find out here is 5. This is 5. This is our final answer. I hope you have understood it well. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.